If you skip context, ChatGPT guesses. In this video, you'll learn the 5W method that journalists use: who, what, when, where, why. Bad prompt: fix my pitch. Better prompt: who investors, what 2-minute pitch, when Friday, where Zoom, why, raise 1 million seed, now fix it. The fix is the 5W method: who, what, when, where, why. 5 lines of context. Massive jump in quality. Who's reading or listening? Be specific. Investor, CFO, customer, classmate. What artifact do you want? A pitch, doc, email, plan, demo. When and where? Shape, urgency, and channel. Friday Zoom is different from Monday memo. Why is the outcome you actually want? Not the deliverable, the decision it should drive. Here's the full prompt. Who? 3 angel investors. What? 2-minute seed pitch. When? Friday. Where? Zoom. Why? Secure 2 term sheets. Fix the pitch. Remember the 5 W's. Who, what, when, where, why. 5 lines of context fix most bad prompts. Subscribe to AI SkillSprint for 1 practical AI skill every week.